Hey, if you're prepping for Olympiads, IIT, or NEET, you already know. Smart shortcuts can make a huge difference. So, what if I told you that mastering MS Excel isn't just for office pros, but could actually level up your exam game, save you hours, and help you organize your study life? Welcome to the MS Excel Foundation course, designed just for students in classes 9 to 12. This isn't about learning boring spreadsheets. It's about unlocking a skill that's going to help you crunch data, organize revision notes, and even automate your own study routines. Let's break it down. We start with the basics, how spreadsheets work and why every serious student should know them. Then, I'll guide you through worksheets, cells, and smart formatting tips to keep your notes clean and easy to read. You'll learn how to set up your docs for easy printing, perfect for revision sheets or last-minute cramming. But here's where it gets really cool. You'll dive into formulas and functions. Imagine calculating your scores across tests or predicting your performance, all with a few clicks. We'll cover data processing and visualizing your progress with charts, so you can literally see your learning curve. Extra options? Absolutely. Shortcuts, tricks, and hacks to make Excel work for you, not the other way around. And when you're ready, we'll even get into macros so you can automate boring tasks and focus on what really matters, crushing your exams. Each chapter is packed with hands-on exercises, projects, and fun quizzes to keep it practical and interactive. By the end, you won't just know Excel, you'll use it like a pro. So are you ready to add this ultimate skill to your toolkit? Let's get started and make Excel your secret weapon for exam success.